In today's lesson, you're going to learn one of the most essential topics in the Albanian language, personal pronouns and the verb to be, or jam. If you want to say, I am from the US, she is happy, or we are students, or anything else that includes the verb to be, this is where it starts. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to make your own sentences. Part 1. Subject pronouns in Albanian. In Albanian, we use these subject pronouns. You'll hear these pronouns in almost every conversation. Pronounce them with me. Un, I, ti, you for singular, ai for he, ajo, she, ne, we, you for you plural, ata, they masculine, ato, they feminine. Part 2, the verb to be in the present tense. Now let's conjugate the verb jam to be in the present tense. Un jam, I am. Ti je, you are. Ai, ajo, është, he, she, is. Ne jemi, we are. Ju jeni, you are. Ata jan, or ato jan, they are. Very well, now real life examples. Let's see how to use these in real sentences. For example, un jam student. I am a student. Ti je nga Italia. You are from Italy. Ai është mësues. He is a teacher. Ajo është lodhur. She is tired. Ne jemi shqiptar. We are Albanians. Ju jeni shumë të sjellshëm. You are very polite. Ata janë në shkollë. They are at school. Ato janë motra. They are sisters. Next part, negative sentences. To make it negative, we just add nuk before the verb. Let's look at the examples. So, in the positive, un jam këtu. I am here. To make it negative, un nuk jam këtu. I am not here. Ti je student. You are a student. In the negative, ti nuk je student. You're not a student. Ai është mjek. He is a doctor. Ai nuk është mjek. He is not a doctor. Always remember to place nuk in front of the verb. It's very important. Lastly, now I've prepared a practice challenge for you. Try to translate these sentences into Albanian. She is tired. We are friends. I am not from Germany. they are not at home, and you, in the plural, are teachers. Make sure to write your answers in the comments and I'll check them for you. You've just learned how to use the most important verb in Albanian, the verb jam, to be. Now you can introduce yourself, describe people, and make real conversation. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for daily Albanian lessons. Want to learn more with me one-on-one? Send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. Faleminderit dhe mirupafshim!